A major shift is happening in the skies of the Middle East. For decades, Iran's attack helicopter fleet relied on aging Vietnam-era technology. But as of February 2026, the game has officially changed. Reports confirmed by flight tracking and leaked documents reveal that Russia has begun delivering the Mi-28NE, famously known as the Night Hunter. This isn't just a new aircraft. It is a lethal predator designed for the modern electronic battlefield. This delivery is part of a massive $500 million arms package between Moscow and Tehran. In January 2026, heavy-lift Russian Il-76 cargo planes were tracked flying into Iranian bases. Analysts suggest that at least 6 Mi-28NEs have already arrived. This comes at a critical time. After last year's 12-day conflict with Israel, Iran's low-altitude air defenses were under immense pressure. Now Russia is helping Iran rebuild its strike capabilities with battle-proven technology directly from the front lines of Ukraine.
So what makes the Night Hunter so terrifying?
The armor. It features a titanium-armored cockpit that can withstand hits from 12.7 Mi and even 20 Mi rounds. The gun. It carries a 30mm 2A42 autocannon, which is slaved to the pilot's helmet. Wherever the pilot looks, the gun points. Standoff missiles. It is armed with Whta and Viker missiles, capable of destroying tanks from 10 kilometers away. This allows Iranian pilots to strike targets while staying outside the range of most shoulder-fired missiles. The drone killer. Most importantly, it uses new airburst ammunition. This technology detects small drones and explodes nearby, shredding them with a cloud of shrapnel, a direct response to the modern drone threat. The arrival of these gunships complicates the military landscape for the U.S. and its allies. For the first time, Iran has a rotary wing platform that combines precision strike, night fighting capability, and anti-drone defense in one package, whether protecting nuclear sites or patrolling the Persian Gulf. The Mi-28NE acts as a mobile flying fortress. It marks the transition of the Russia-Iran alliance from simple drone trading to high-end strategic combat aviation. While 6 helicopters are just the beginning, they represent a new era of Iranian military power. As Tehran continues to integrate Russian combat experience, the question remains, what comes next? Is this the precursor to the arrival of the Su-35 fighter jets? One thing is certain. The balance of power in the region is being redrawn.